Today at Woodstove and Fireplace Parts, I just wanted to explain the difference between tempered glass and ceramic glass. That's a question we get a lot. Now, most of the times, if you have a bifold door fireplace, something like this, it's going to have what they call tempered glass in it. Tempered glass is very clear, just like window pane glass. And matter of fact, that's what it's made of. It's made out of a window pane glass that has been cut, and then put in an oven and baked, and then cooled rapidly. And what that does is it tempers it, or it means it locks the molecules in place. After this process is done, the glass cannot be cut again. It's permanent. So when the glass breaks, it's going to break in a million little pieces, something like this. This will give you an idea. You can see how it's completely spidered. That's tempered glass. Now, ceramic glass is a different animal entirely. It is a transparent ceramic. And ceramic glass looks like this. Kind of hard to see there in the video the difference, but if I hold a piece of paper behind it, you can see it has a slight amber tint to it. That amber tint is a chemical called borite, and what that chemical does is keeps the fireplace glass from expanding and contracting. And this glass is good up to about 1400 degrees versus tempered, which is good up to about 450 degrees. So a big difference in temperature range. But ceramic glass is typically used in wood stoves, fireplaces that are airtight, inserts, and anything that has a real high temperature. You literally can have running water hitting one side and a flame hitting the other side and it won't break. Now, when ceramic glass breaks, it breaks in big chunks. Something like this. So you can see the difference between that and tempered. A lot of times in your wood stove, it'll just crack. So if you see just a crack, then you know it's ceramic glass. And if you see that it's broken in a million pieces like this, then you know it's tempered glass. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Thanks.